Incheon is one of the world's best airports, with everything from an ICN airport lounge to free cultural experiences. Whether you have 4 hours or 16, here's your plan for ICN. Getting around from ICN is easy. The AirX Express takes you to Seoul Station in 60 minutes. Or grab a rideshare for about 25 minutes, though costs vary. Let's build your itinerary. With just 4 hours, you don't have enough time to leave the airport, but ICN has you covered. Start by clearing customs and grabbing your bags, then explore the free Korean cultural experiences, including traditional craft workshops. Next, grab a bite at one of the food courts where meals run about $15,000 won. After eating, check out an ICN airport lounge if you have priority pass, or relax in one of the free rest zones before heading back to your gate. Got 8 hours? Now you can answer the question, can you leave Seoul Airport during layover? Yes, you can. Start by clearing customs, then hop on the AirX Express to Seoul Station. From there, visit the historic Sungyemun Gate for photos and a taste of Korean history. Next, walk over to Solo 7017 Sky Garden for unique city views from this elevated park. Grab lunch at Lotte Mart Food Court near Seoul Station, where authentic Korean meals are cheaper than ICN airport food. After eating, take the AirX back with plenty of time for security. 16 hours? That's a full day in Seoul. After clearing customs, take the AirX Express into the city and start at Sungyemun Gate. Then explore the Solo 7017 Sky Garden before heading to Myeongdong for world-class shopping and street food. Grab lunch at a local restaurant in Myeongdong, then visit Gyeongbokgung Palace to experience Korea's royal history. Next, stroll through Bukchon Hanok Village to see traditional Korean houses. For dinner, hit up Gwangjang Market for authentic Korean street food and atmosphere. Finally, take the AirX back to ICN with time to spare for your layover in Seoul. Budget breakdown: 4 hours costs about $12 for airport food. 8 hours runs about $25, including transit and a city meal. The full day costs around $55, covering trains, attractions, and 2 meals. A few tips. First, use ATMs for currency exchange, not airport counters for better rates. Second, download a translation app before landing since English is limited outside the airport. Third, store luggage at ICN if leaving the airport so you can move freely. Planning a Seoul layover, full guide at yopki.com, link below.